Tesla Cybertruck wrapped in camo spotted in Palo Alto. Tesla Cybertruck units are rolling off production lines at Gigafactory Texas. And have been for months, but the prototype seen in Palo Alto, California today wrapped in camo seems to indicate one thing: the all-electric pickup is undoubtedly close. In the past 6 months, Tesla Cybertruck sightings have been more and more frequent, as the automaker continues to work toward initial production. Nearly 4 years after unveiling the car in November 2019, we've seen Tesla test numerous looks, some more rugged than others. And some units have even been equipped with rumored features like the single wiper blade. But that doesn't appear to be a finalized part of the Cybertruck. Today, a camo-wrapped Cybertruck made it to public testing on roads in Palo Alto. And the camo seems to show the vehicle is close to production for customers. This Cybertruck was also spotted with a round steering wheel, which is interesting considering Tesla equipped some prototypes with a revised yoke design, which has been polarizing amongst the community, to say the least. Tesla V2 yoke with improved materials rumored to come this summer. Companies usually wrap vehicles to hide designs, lines, and other styling that may not have been presented to the public quite yet. We've seen numerous companies do it with electric vehicles. Tesla is definitely moving closer to production and deliveries, as last week the company reportedly told suppliers that it plans to build 375,000 units every year, and initial release candidates could be ready by August. We already know the design of the Cybertruck has been finalized, but we do not know if we've actually seen it on the road. Source: reposted and summarized from Joey Klender at teslaupdate.